Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add any friend to a best friend list or to a best friend category. So in order to do this, simply click on the profile icon at the top left, and then from here simply scroll down and you can see this option which says my friends. Then here choose that particular account you want to as a friend. So for example, let's say this account right here. So I'll hold on to it, and then here is this option which says pin them as your number one BFF. So you may choose this, but do make sure that this is a premium feature which comes with Snapchat Plus, and if you click on the next you might get a free trial for the first week, and then you need to pay a minimum fee which is listed as follows depending upon your country and your location. So if you don't want to pay any fee and you still want to add them as your best friend, what you're gonna do is simply send them the most amount of streaks, and that too every day, and chat with them the most, and they will be automatically added as your best friend in Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.